How to change astrological signs on Snapchat. What's up everyone, welcome to the video where I'm going to show you in this video how you can easily change the astrological signs on Snapchat. So as you guys know, if I open my Snapchat and file, I will see this little icon right here that is my astrological sign. It will open in everyone's profile, so you can just tap on continue to select your birth information right here. So you can complete it by tapping here. You can search for the place of your birth and then tap on complete. Once you do this, it will show you your astrological profile and you should be able to read more stuff here, what your astrological sign means. So in order to change this, what you have to do is, it is linked with your birthday, so you have to change your birthday first. So just tap on your birthday and change it to a different date that is correct. So once you do this, you can just tap on continue and tap on OK. And after that, you can see the astrological profile has now been changed to Pisces. It was Cancer before, so you can tap on it and then refresh once again. So once you refresh your app, you should be able to completely change it on your profile. So if I just tap on it, now it has changed to Pisces. And that's how you basically change your astrological profile on Snapchat. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.